Next up, we're going to look at creating a shape. When you start a new scene in Blender, you'll always have a cube appearing in the middle of the screen. So what we're going to do is click on that cube and hit the delete key. There are many ways to add a shape to the scene. We're going to go up to the add menu in the top left of the screen, and under mesh, we're going to look for a list of primitive geometry shapes. You have things like a plane, a cube, and a sphere, and other basic shapes. I'm going to click on cube, and that will make a cube appear in the center of my scene. Now that we have a cube, we're going to learn how to manipulate that cube in the scene. There are three main ways to manipulate a shape in Blender. Those are translating it or moving it around, rotating it, and scaling it. To translate or move your cube around, click on it and press the G key. That sticks the cube to your cursor, so wherever you move the mouse, the cube will go with it. Then you can click again to put the cube down, or when you're moving it around, you can right-click and the cube will return to its original position. You can always press Ctrl and Z to undo any movements that you've made. To rotate, you press the R key. Then when you move the mouse up and down, it'll rotate around its origin point. There are two types of rotation. There's 2D rotation like this, or you can press the R key a second time and you'll get a tumble rotation like this. Like before, you can click to apply the rotation, or you can right-click to cancel the action. Next is scaling, where you select your object and press the S key. Now, when you drag your mouse up and down, it will scale the shape up and down. Like before, you can apply the action by left-clicking, or you can cancel the action by right-clicking.